What has been the voting percentage and the turnout like for Haryana, for example? Let me take you through first the state that's coming in. Haryana, almost 50%. Not good enough. We are told that the total percentage has almost touched about 50%, 49.20, but Haryana specifically has been at about 46.26%. There are still about 2 hours to go, and we hope that whether it's Haryana, Delhi, Odisha, Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, that there is an inspirational, remarkable turnout, and despite the heat, that it should happen. It's about deciding the country's future as much as the voters' future as well. Kamaljeet Sandhu has been on the ground. Kamaljeet, I understand the soaring temperature could perhaps be for some a factor to not come out, but it's after all the Lok Sabha elections. It's important. What has been the mood around you like, Kamaljeet?
Well, yes, Pooja, most of the people have been braving the heat wave to come and cast their vote. It's their democratic responsibility. But yes, there's been a factor that the voting has been sketching in several voting centers. But yes, the last 2 hours to go now. So the polling officials really hoping that they have the teams. There have been coolers, fans which have been installed. There's a medical team which has been installed in various polling centers to ensure that there is not an aftermath, especially after several of the people obviously complaining about higher temperatures. Touching about mid-40s now. So this is obviously a tough time for the voters, but equally for the candidates. Now remember, there are 10 seats in Polfrey. There are also by-elections in Karnal. So in total, 11 seats now in contention. And there seems to be a fight in at least 5 to 6 of them. So it's not like a cakewalk, what we've seen in 2014 and 2019. For the BJP, it does seem that there is a resurgence as far as the Congress party is concerned. So there is going to be a fight, and this is a fight which is being given. And one seat of, obviously, the Aam Aadmi Party, the Congress in Kurukshetra, that is, in contention again. So all this is going to be very, very important and significant. Will the Modi wave really come into factor again, or is it boiling down to the performance? Now, there has also been a significant change. Just 2 months ago, we saw Nayab Singh Saini take charge in Haryana. Manohar Lal Khattar, who was shifted as a chief minister to member of parliament candidate. So all this is now at a crucial juncture where the voters really decide as to what is the fate of the government going to be. But as far as the popularity concerns, this is where the candidates obviously heavily relying, especially the BJP, on the Prime Minister. Rest of the Congress candidates not just relying on popularity of Rahul Gandhi, but also on the promise of the India alliance. So this is going to be a tough one. It's not one-sided as we saw in 2014 and 2019. The voting percentages now closer to 50%, but they're really hoping that in the next 2 hours it may just pick up, but it may not be so much. We've seen in the last time around, it was around 68 to 70%. So that's the numbers that we're looking at, even in terms of Karnal, where the double engine ki sarkar, or both Manohar Lal Khattar as well as Nayab Singh Saini, fate is to be decided by the Karnal voters.
Interesting. Stay on with me, Kamaljeet, and perhaps, whether it's the polling officers or the voters on the ground, there's been a unanimous sentiment that perhaps this is not the best season, not the best time to hold Lok Sabha elections, and in so many phases, but perhaps that is something the Election Commission may want to look at for the next time. Shreya Chatterjee is also joining us. Shreya, you've been in Faridabad, which is in many ways called Delhi NCR also, because it neighbors the national capital. What has been the turnout like? Because I know that in Faridabad, there are many who are constantly shuttling between Delhi, Haryana. It is a very important segment of society that lives there in Faridabad. What is the mood like? What is the turnout?
Pooja, early in the morning, since when we were reporting, the zeal was much higher, obviously, to start.
Shreya, I appear to have some communication audio issue there with you, and we'll just get that sorted in another minute. But Haryana, remember, about 50% appears to be the voter turnout, but the larger turnout also is touching almost 50%. Is it the heat, the temperature, or is it the apathy of the voter that it's a weekend, might as well enjoy?